Welcome all of you to our new Classic workshop, just opened today. We wanted to unveil probably our most ambitious project to date, going into the Classic Restoration Challenge 2025. Without further ado, is 356. We're doing from the ground up, custom build, down to the metal, hot rod style, in memory of one of our closest friends, Mr. Chad McQueen. Thank you all for coming, and this is a very special moment. I know John and I have talked about this for many years. We're just going to expand our capabilities to help service our community. Thank you all for being here, and stay tuned on the project. Thank you.